Hey y'all, and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a costume makeup video, and I'm going to be transforming into an alien. Wait, that's not much of a transformation, I guess. Anyhow, so let's get started, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. Right? Oh, and I also just wanted to apologize ahead of time for the audio. It's not the whole video's audio, but towards the end I know it got a little off with what was being said and the the way my mouth's moving and whatnot. So, and there's also a couple little parts where there was a fan going that I didn't realize, and it sounds like there's feedback. So again, ahead of time, apologies, but you can still follow along. It's easy enough. I got tired of fiddling with it, trying to fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna start just by putting this one color. It's by, I don't even know if I'm saying this right, Mehron. It's this one, and it was in the color Liberty, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna be putting that all over to start. So, great, now I'm going to do a little contouring with some darker green. And then in between the darker green, I'm going to put just a highlighter with a brush. Okay, and for the eyes, I'm actually going to just kind of outline it a little bit with some white. So I started with doing 3 little very small dots in the corner down here on each side, and then one right in line with the corner. This way it makes almost like a little triangle. I'm going to have the line extend down that way, but it's just going to be a little guide. That way I can also see that it's even. Okay, so now that you have your outline, you're gonna add the color. Okay, so you can see I already started a little of the color, just the inside, a little bit of like yellow, and I'm gonna finish the rest, kind of some pinks, some purples. I'm kind of just winging it, so let's see how this turns out. I'm using a mix of like a cream and like regular eyeshadow too. So. Getting bored. Wild nights, all the fun. Live life in the sun. Things you should have done. Broken dreams, one-time machines, and trips to Neverland. Take the time to free. Okay, and now I'm gonna line my eyes with just a regular gel felt tip liner. And disclaimer, I'm not a beauty guru. I do not claim to be one, so this may take me a few times because it normally does on a regular basis. So, alright, wish me luck. Okay, next I'm going to do the lips. So I'm going to start with some blue around the edges and then some pink and kind of blend them together to get kind of an purple or ombre purple, I guess would be the best way to say it. Okay, well, now I see obviously I need to add a little of this color up here so it stands out. So we'll just go like this. Much better. And just adding a little more copper or rose-colored dots. Or alien freckles, we'll call them.
Anytime you'll see you and me together in a place with
And a line down here. Didn't use.
no one else but us. I wanna take you there.
Try to keep it straight, something I'm not very good at. I'm going to continue the line, or I am at least, down on the lips, just a straight line.
It's another universe, another universe.
Okay, and almost about to finish things off, but need to put on lashes. And which one for these? Okay, now getting them on is the trick. So I'm not going to bore you guys with how many times I'm probably going to have to try this, so let's just fast forward. Okay, well, that didn't take as long as I thought it would, so it's only a couple times less than I predicted. So, moving on, lashes are on, and we need a wig and a costume as well. So we'll get a little bigger picture so you can see the whole thing, because it's got little cute little space buns and a little barrette that I had that I thought looked cool as well. And oh yeah, one more thing too, just that I got that I thought would be cool to help make the eyes stand out more. So obviously totally optional, but I wanted to have some cool color contacts for one of the outfits for Halloween. So here they are. Alright, costume though. So I decided that instead of doing some kind of like skirt or anything, I thought it'd look cool to have kind of like an astronaut costume. So let's check it out.
I had a mission, it was to find love, that special feeling that I once lost. I was driving in my spaceship, I could almost see that airstrip. I was going down for landing, 'cause I finally found my home. I'm like an alien in love. I'm like an alien in love. I'm like an alien in love.
Okay, well, thanks everybody for joining me while I shared my alien transformation, and it was fun. So I hope you found that useful, and hope you enjoyed and have fun for whatever you may be using it for, events, Halloween, anything. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please, if you wouldn't mind doing so, it's always appreciated, as well as giving it a thumbs up if you like the video. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Again, thanks for watching, and alright, bye.